An API, which stands for Application Programming Interface, serves as a bridge between different software applications, allowing them to communicate and interact with each other. It's a set of rules, protocols, tools, and definitions that enable seamless integration and data exchange between various systems, applications, or services. Introduction to APIs. Communication interface. An API acts as an intermediary that enables different software components or systems to communicate with each other. It defines how software components should interact, specifying the methods, protocols, and data formats they must use. Functionality access. APIs allow one software system to access the functionalities or services provided by another system without requiring the internal details of how those functionalities are implemented. This promotes modularity and reusability in software development. Data sharing. APIs facilitate the exchange of data between applications. They define the structure of requests and responses, making it possible for applications to request specific data or perform actions and receive appropriate responses. Standardization. APIs often provide standardized interfaces that enable developers to integrate features or services into their applications easily. This standardization helps in interoperability between different systems. Types of APIs. Web APIs, RESTful, SOAP, GraphQL. These APIs enable communication between web-based services and applications over the Internet. They use HTTP requests to retrieve or send data, and they follow specific architectural styles such as REST, Representational State Transfer, or SOAP, Simple Object Access Protocol. Operating System APIs. These APIs provide interfaces for applications to interact with the operating system's resources. They enable tasks like file manipulation, memory management, or device communication. Library or Framework APIs. Programming languages and software frameworks come with built-in libraries or modules that provide APIs for developers to access pre-built functionalities. For example, Python's requests library offers an API for making HTTP requests. Key components of an API. Endpoints, specific URLs that represent different functionalities or resources. Developers access these endpoints to request data or perform actions. HTTP methods, such as GET, POST, PUT, DELETE, which define the actions that can be performed on the endpoints. Request parameters, data sent along with a request to specify the desired action or data. Response format, defines how the data will be structured and sent back as a response to the request. Common formats include JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, or XML, Extensible Markup Language. APIs play a pivotal role in modern software development, allowing developers to create powerful applications that can leverage functionalities or services provided by other systems, resulting in enhanced efficiency, flexibility, and innovation in software design and development.